I just realized I did this hobby already, so let's do it. I'm gonna do it to 2000 or something, but I'm going back. So, hi y'all. I like being quiet instead. So I'm gonna be quiet, trying not to make a lot of sounds, so you guys cannot hear me. Yeah, I'm trying not to. Oh, I forgot I need to title up. It's in Netherlands. Dutch. I hate that. Chicken. Good chicken is here. Yeah, look, good chicken. And we oh, we okay, that's of that. I guess it's okay. It's okay. I forgot to click here to spawn. Who cares? Not me. No. Wee. It's me. Purple. Did we skip yellow? I don't know. I'm lazy to collect. Oh yeah. Purple, purple, purple. Oh no. No wait. No. What was that? I don't know. Me either. Wee. Yay. I'm never ever going to do live because I'm lazy, or maybe shall I do it? No, I will do it wrong and then I need to restart, and I cannot restart because I'm in live. So yeah. By the way, if you did not know, my name is Benla111. I wanted to be Benla, but it didn't work, so I added one didn't work, then one did work. So that's why. No checkpoints. No. pink. I'm allergic to pink. Can y'all hear me? Yes or no? Natasha, can you to see it alone? Hopefully my hand is not in the way. So yeah. I'll play like this. Okay, it's annoying. So bad. No. No. Wee, 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 wee. What? Oh. How can I know if it's a checkpoint or not? Ah. Ah. You betrayed me. What? I see it. I'm usually let's be too quiet. You won't hear me when I play or something. Okay, sometimes I laugh. But who cares but that? It's hard not to laugh. I say it's talking. It's hard not to laugh. Yellow mango pudding. Oh, cake. Just joking. I'm not going to redo that. Anyway, so if this was a speed run, I will die immediately because I'm not literally too speedy. Wee, 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 wah, wee, 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 wee. Okay, that was really dumb for me. Yeah. If you're asking me to do a horror movie, I don't like horror and I won't do it. I mean, horror game. I'm not going to do just like Sammy la 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 la. Wait, you guys don't know her because it's Netherlands. Me. I'm not going to do it like funny. It is funny. Funny bee. Funny bee. I don't understand why she called herself Penny Bean. Okay, I hate talking about names. Names, yeah. We. My friend always wanted to be a YouTuber, and guess what? She's now making YouTuber on her own with her brother. Really funny, right? Not just okay. They fight every time, and my friend broke her. Oh wait, no. My friend steal her brother's. I don't know. But steal stuff. Just like her brother. Just like my other friends. Stealing food instead of stuff. If they see something delicious, she will eat it. And if she doesn't see something delicious, she will not eat. I just will not be. It's annoying when you die and then you need to respawn everything. Literally everything. Don't know about that checkpoint. Okay, no checkpoints. So it gets harder every seconds. That's okay. Every time. Why is the deadly around for slave? I don't know. Yeah, is the same color as the checkpoint. Why am I? If you're an API creator, just giving you a hint, don't do the same color as the checkpoint. Don't do the deadly block same as the checkpoint. Then they will be mad because they don't know which one is safe or not safe. No, I'm a little bit too big. This is a game, right? Cotton. Okay. No. Chicken, we need to go through this. Through pink. How tall is it anyways? No, I don't know. If you guys think it's tall, if you guys think it's tall, then tell me it's tall. If you guys don't think it's tall, then don't tell me it's tall. Tall. I think my other friend who steals food is right now in Mecca, I think. Because she's not playing Roblox, and she's not even answering everything. So yeah, who's this? Email I got. Which one? It's both of them. Yeah, okay, I don't understand them. So I need to see it on my own. If I at least don't fall. Okay, if I at least done with this. a full movie, full film. I don't know what's others like movie and film. What's name? Why is everything glowing? Literally, why everything? And especially pink. Why is pink glowing? Glowing. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, I like it. Wait, did this game heard me? What I said 1 second ago I said. Okay, so it'll be not 1 second. Did the game just hear me? Oh, I'm not doing loud though. Oh, guys. Wee. I said wee. I said wee, not meow. No, I'm not doing it. No. Yay. I hate log jumps. Love it. I don't know what to think. Cotton candy can be every color. Why is it pink? Literally pink. Why? Cotton candy can be every color. Is this about candy or about other stuff? I bet there was 10,000. I think there was a lot and they are doing updates. Keep doing updates. I don't know how much. If there is update and I need to restart this, I might be so sad. I might say, okay. I must try to get one of me up above me. I have now 91. I get it. Yeah. Wee. Okay, so no. Go ahead. Perfect. One try. I said one try, not 2 tries. Yeah. Get out the wall. Get out the wall. Why always on my ring? No, so. Sorry about that. Was a baby fly. I wanted to play, but I cannot kill in Ramadan. I swear I can never kill. Never ever. They can kill your character. Wait, I just realized. Wait, Ramadan so much over. I know, Ramadan so much over. Wait. Did I wake up early? I didn't start time. Yeah, it's not the chat. I always put it open because it's annoying me when I see here numbers. You guys cannot see it because nobody's chatting now. Now I need to do it 10. I need to do 10. Doing 10. 8. 9. Actually, none of them looks like candy nuggets. I finally purple again. Are we stuck in a loop? Loompa, loompa, do. Literally, I can go put the song on, but I'm lazy to put it on. How do I keep falling? I keep licking it. How do I keep falling? I finally... If I fell there, I'ma stop the video. Just joking. Anyway, so... Is this pink or purple? Oh, I already stopped. 1 second. Perfect. Now bye. Bye, because I already done it. 11. Yeah. 11. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Goodbye. Bonjour. Bye. Bye.